Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2012 Dodge Charger SXT Plus all-wheel drive. Stock number B9617P. Only 40,000 miles on this Charger. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. Charger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, seats 5 with a leather interior, custom fit floor mats for easy cleaning, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and not only low miles but very clean. Rear outboard seats are also heated. This SXT Plus has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 40,000 miles with driver information system. Operated by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated front seats. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission, heated as well as cooled cup holders. Great for commuters. Lots of storage space in the armrest, with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transfer openers. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Charger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.